Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can quickly get rid of notifications on Discord. So I don't have notifications like those red ones, but I do have like servers with like dots on them, which doesn't mention me, but there's like messages in those servers. So just right click on the server and then select mark as read, and then as you can see, it will disappear. If you want to remove the like white dot next to it, just do that for all of it, and that is it. Super simple. Ooh, people really talk in those servers. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!